Oh my gosh, that's pretty. But I can toss it in like my overnight bag. Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is the March BeautyFIX box by Dermstore. This is a new box to me and a new box to the channel. I'll pop deets right here. But I've been on the hunt for some new subscription boxes, and this is one of them that came up in my feed and stuff like that. So I figured I'd give it a shot. I do want to test it out for a couple of months, kind of see what I feel. Obviously, based on Skin Fix, it's going to be more skincare focused, which you guys know that I am fine with. It is packaged beautifully, and I will say, you guys, this shipped crazy fast. Like, I was blown away. I think I got this within like 5 days. Right on top is the MZ Skin by Dr. Miriam Zamani, the Hydra Lift Gold Face Mask, Lifting and Hydrating Hydrogel Face Mask. This feels super duper juicy, which I love because I have gotten some masks specifically in subscription boxes, and it drives me crazy, that feel dry, and I go to use them and they're already dried out. So I'm incredibly excited about this, especially as somebody with very dry skin. Y'all, that little boost of hydration, and I literally will put this on after I get out of the shower or prior to filming, and you just chill for 15 minutes. So already starting off with a bang. Next up is the Grande Lash MD, the Lash Enhancing Serum. I do like to see this, and even this mini I think is probably $35. It's a quite pricey product. It's just not something I'm personally going to use. I am very anti-lash serum. I've just heard too many bad things, y'all, but then I've heard good things. I'd like to know what you guys think. Not a bad product to see in here, but not something I'm going to use. Next up is the Sunday Riley, the CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Gel Cream. I have used this in the past, and I really like this. Just a word of caution, if you're using anything that has retinols, vitamin C's, things like that, you want to make sure that you are using sun protection if you're going out in the sun after using products like this. And that seems like enough of a size that I can really get a good, good use, that I can really get good use out of it. So I'm excited about that as well. Oh, there is a little makeup product. Okay. This is the Wander Beauty, a staple, I feel like. This is the Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. Ooh, in Wink and Bay. So very kind of purpley. I am going to open this and see what this looks like. I would demo these, but I just wrapped up filming. I'm so excited and very proud of the video that I just filmed. You guys will see it soon. I hope it does well. I'm really proud of it. All right. And I do like products like this that I can literally, toss this. I almost dropped it. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. But I can toss it in like my overnight bag, and it's super easy, super compact. So we've got a beautiful, oh, that feels not, ooh, okay, a little flaky, but it's one of those like iridescent shades that you guys know I love and I talk about all the time. They just kind of look white and unassuming in the pan, and then they have these beautiful reflex to them, beautiful shifts in color. What I do with a shadow that is a little bit more flaked or textured is just kind of rub it between my fingers because I apply with my fingers. So now you can see it smoothed out really beautifully. And it's got this really pretty like purple sheen to it. I'm actually just going to tap some right on top. I don't know that you guys are going to really see it. Oh, baby. That is pretty though. But if you put this by itself, it just kind of catches the light and you just see like that purple like quality from it. And then if you put it on top of, a darker base, it's going to show a little bit different. You guys know already. I love shades like this. I like that a lot. And then the bottom one is a beautiful, I think actually it's a cream. It is, okay. I don't know how I feel about that unless I was using it as like a base and I would set it down. It's really stunning though. Okay, I'm intrigued by that. If you've tried this, let me know. I would love to get something like this in like a green thing. Yeah, it says eyeshadow. Let's see how to use. Tap and blend with fingertips or brush, and that's that. But I really like this. That is cute as heck, you guys. All right, and then last up, I believe last up in the box, yes, is the Goop Beauty. I'm pretty sure that's Gwyneth Paltrow's brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the Goop Glow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. Ooh, I love products like that too. And once I test these products out, I will definitely come back and let you guys know my thoughts. That is itty bitty, y'all. That's probably going to be 1 or 2 uses. So I don't really know how much of a review or whatever I can give you guys once I test that out. For my first one, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I'm actually shocked that we got a makeup product. I just didn't anticipate, obviously it's my first time getting it. I didn't anticipate getting a beauty product, but that is stunning, you guys. I'm really excited to test this out. I think it'll be even really more beautiful. Let me go in and try that really quick with you guys. Go in with this and then tap some of this on top. Oh yeah. I of course would smooth that out first, but you can see like how pigmented the other shade looks now. I don't even think you guys are seeing the pink. All I'm seeing is the pink. Hopefully you can see it from there. That's stunning. Okay. All right, so we got the eyeshadow, we got the Sunday Riley, the CEO Afterglow, we got the Grande Lash, we got our little Goop Beauty product, and then we got a beautiful skin. And then we got the mask from MZ Skin. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 4. Not blowing my socks off, but for what it is, a more, in my opinion, and from what I saw, a more skincare focused thing. We've got some really beautiful heavy hitter names. We've got the beautiful little duo here. I'm excited about this, you guys. I would love to know what you guys thought. What are some of your favorite subscription boxes? Do you like subscription boxes? Do you see value in them, or are you not interested? I'd like to know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can click the bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.